25th December, location Ebaba out. 25th December, Obia Embra. Location Ebaba out. 25th December. Obia Embra. Obia Embra. Obia Embra. Obia Embra.
Welcome once again to Treasure TV Ghana. And this one guy who call himself or go by the name Ebo Noah. If you say Noah, you know what is related to. Noah in the Bible is the man who created the ark and saved the world from the flooding. Yeah. So the boy or the guy called Ebo Noah, who claims to be a man of God, is trying to tell the world that on
25th December,
what happened in the Bible, what God used to destroy the world in the time of Noah, is going to repeat itself. So therefore, he is preaching, he is passing the message on to people by people, to on social media. The last, he was even at Circle, trying to engage people, that telling people that on the
25th December,
please, I will show you the location. Come and save yourself, because there's going to be a major flood in the whole world. And people were questioning that. So how about the people, the white people, the people in the Ghanaian people in the diaspora? And this man says he's praying for them. God will save them, and those who hear the message and come there, they will be saved.
What? Yes, sure. 25th December, correct. Yes, sir. Mr. Ushiwi, we are tattoo, we are Sawoni, no judgment in the act. Obia Embra act. Yes. Krabra. Yes, sir. Nyami Esra. Abochi. Obia. Yes. Nyami Esra. Mbwani de mimi tulifa mbwa enkasa, but nyami akasa na ebe direct yo. Yes, me de yanse me nipa ana ekasa. Oh, me say o shekura obetumi adwane. No judgment in the act.
According to Ebo Noah, he claimed he has built 10 major ships or boats or arks that's going to save the people, or the people that will believe in, the people that he used a certain word. Oh, yes, he said people that have covenant with God. Charlie, you know, we are not safe. So
they say no, a religion be a beba ho, and I say one place, and I okay.
Then we need one place.
Okay.
One place. And one place you will be a beba who are going to be as of young brown.
I want to
never know that I can go down
and then
sanity. We catch us in Syria and I'm in my location.
Okay.
This is there, and yes, I'm going to see Kumasi, and yes, I'm going to see I'm a poor, you see one location.
Okay. Pasho, number 7 sounds on Bisa say, 25th December, and still now. Said it's 25th December. Said any dry, said a beji, any bushing and fight. Okay.
I'm person mean conscious. And your prophecy, a vision, and I'm here.
Okay.
Me person will be back as a chinchina
prophecy.
A vision, and I'm in. And I may catch them say me say na me hu
sanity.
Me ko boka bebre say enye act. say ebemu ambemu still abrabono ye to aso.
Okay.
Nyame enshira.
Oh, nampa cho na mbese me mbisa say they say ye hu bebre e wo social media say why bebre. They say mbisa say e wa modern bo ana wo aboafo bi omo boa e fa nduasem ne edwuma no nko na wo ye edwuma na wo nkofo a wo ne wo ye say edwuma.
Nyame enshira. Enye me nko na me ye edwuma no. Ana me ka kire o say nyame oyi kirewa oye den a osuma obi mane beboa. Enye me nko na me nya vision we ye mu bebre ebi bebre nya vision but omo hia wo edwuma ba me de me se me ye me de edwuma tinkofo ho a omo boa me
okay ampa cho omo mo support no Ghana fo nko a ana abrochi fo so support
me ntwa wa no oho ne de yentumi embody
okay
yentumi embody right time ne ba wan kasa obehu omo nice
ampa cho me last question e chato I say me bisa say we bie akwan ato so obi person support wa obetimi abe support wa
obe support me why not
okay
obe support me dia me wa ase me wi am de me na ma be ma na wan kasa dia opese on send me jiska wo akin but mani fi wa kuma me say o ma me bibi
okay
no payment
okay
if you wa kuma mu dia meji yen jiska wo akin
okay
nyame sha
also me da se pa
how bicycle is
oh bicycle 1000 Ghana
So these are some of the videos of Mr. Noah and the ark that he's building.
Not because of me, your trust in God will come down. Not because of me, your faith in the Lord will come down. Not because of me, you will stand somewhere and say there's no God. Not because of me, you will stop worshiping God. I am working on my vision. I believe in the Bible. I read in the Bible. So please, if it doesn't happen, hallelujah. If it happens, hallelujah. So please, I want you to still trust in God, have faith in God, and worship God. Yes, this is what I can say. Not because of me. You stand somewhere and you mock God. It's a vision, and I am working on my vision. God bless you.
I want to see. Many of mukwa, Ndiana matotono. Then the next day we gonna.
Oh Ghana, yes we yeah asemu.
I don't want to give the location again.
Because even I've seen Obi say he should just transform it into where like it will be like tourism center for people to come and watch it.
That made the
tourism center now now I said that pay hype. I said that pay hype now what they yes to say ak BBC Bibe to Yenyan Nemesia
that day me pacho where they need him amu yempini for me to me betina na menkasa enchiremu
sir
Ghana for one the bebremu ana
that do bia wa obegie de bia.
What about other countries on be fine
that the news may spread it
into Nigeria for baby o aki say Nigeria for nkola grant me
yeah. The more we remove a spiritual way, the more we remove, the more I expand it.
Hey, that's a grand
the my figure be says 600 million, and I become Akna and Yachichim into first, second, third. We say chambers.
And the Akano a bed to say home. The more nipa room na
thank you. I'm sure.
Wow. Inti yen be hunu hwe ase ya anso no. The more nipa room no.
Na etre.
No wa mre no nkotre ekomu mienu, adri eye mienu, apotro eye mienu, wowo eye mienu, odwan eye mienu. Na emwa na ebekum no ye bekum mienu ana we de emwa na de na nkosi bi other countries mo.
That make catch say location they are mommy.
Bounty say call US and UK. It was be more ana ko Germany.
Still na yede yeni nyame e kasa. Yeni nyame e kasa papa.
So these are some of the videos of Ebo Noah's preaching and sending out his message. Kindly subscribe and be part of Treasure TV Ghana. My name is Treasure Boy. Thank you.